So I'm just getting ready right now. Instead of makeup by Jai video, this will just be a regular get ready with me. Today I'm doing a look inspired by Doja Cat. When I saw a picture of it, I was like so intrigued to try it out. I was only able to get one more white liner, so hopefully it'll be enough. Oh my gosh, I don't know where that came from. I got a pimple. Thank goodness for concealer. And then my friend is gonna come through and I'll be doing the star makeup that I've done on her. I'm going to just start on the liner probably. I'm a little nervous because I've never tried this out before. So this is gonna be something. Alright, I'm gonna start with the liners that I already have. I have 2 white liners. And then I also got this new one just in case that it wasn't enough. Actually, I should probably put on my blush first. I'm really excited for this photo shoot because the photographer has these studios for photographers to rent, and I was going to rent it to do a photo shoot with this other photographer that had hit me up, but I had put it off because I didn't have the money for it at the time. And then I feel like it was an act of God. The guy who owns the Airbnb is also a photographer, and he hit me up to model in that studio I was gonna rent out. So I felt very blessed for this opportunity. And then I also had envisioned to be modeling with another girl. So I had met this girl at a dispensary when I was picking up, and I just loved her look. So I hit her up, and yeah, she agreed to model with me, and now it's all coming together. Today's the day. I had ordered these white contacts that are supposed to like white out your eyes, and it was gonna really tie this whole white makeup together, but it is still in New York being shipped out, even if I expedited it. But in those moments, I just really have to tell myself, you know, there's probably a reason behind it, that it didn't come in to diminish my disappointment. I think that really helps, is just telling myself it's for a reason. There's a reason behind that. Alright, so we're gonna take the liners. I'm gonna take the one that looks the most used and try to use up that. And we're gonna just start with the forehead area. So it looks like there's like a circle here. Like down the nose. Like, one thing with makeup is it's never gonna look well. If you have a lot of practice with it, you'll probably get the hang of it, but at the first time it doesn't really look precisely like the picture, so you just have to make it your own. Just going to try to fill in what I just created. Alright, we're gonna bring it all the way up to the forehead. And then this is gonna be crazy, dude, when it's done. I have like an hour to do this because the girl is going to be here at 1 o'clock, and it is currently 12, I believe. So we're gonna have to try to do this quick. Hold on. I need to fix this because the flyaways are going to give me trouble. I'm gonna take some gel and try to bring it back because it's really long. I'm just gonna push it back. bit more to really bring it back because it's really hot. Alright, I'm gonna let it dry so that I can use my headband to bring it back, but we don't want to waste time, so I'm going to continue with it. I think it's already coming out super cool. I'm really happy that this kind of makeup has becoming more popular, and on Pinterest I see a lot more people turning their makeup into art. Before I felt like it was a lot more of just regular makeup looks, like the eyeshadow, the liner, simple makeup. And I feel like this evolution of makeup has been like a lot more fun for me to get into, because as an artist I think this is more challenging for me and it feels more like art for me. This is awesome. I'm already on the side of the face. I haven't gone through the whole bottle yet. I do see there's going to be areas that are going to need to be filled in a little bit more, but I think I will wait until I get through the entire face, just sketching it out. This is crazy. Okay. This looks freaking crazy. I love it. It goes around her chin. The theme is like space alien, so I thought this was like a really cool look. The nose bridge is kind of hard because it's a curved area, so getting be straight is kind of a challenge. Challenge I'm willing to accept. I'm really grateful that I find that my family has been accepting my artistic side a lot more. Sometimes when I do crazy looks like this, like on Thanksgiving, I did this really crazy makeup look with black liner, and I was like worried that they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? Why you have makeup like that? Because they're not used to this kind of stuff. So I understand if they would find it alarming if I showed up to a dinner with crazy makeup on, but they were into it and that was awesome. Another really cool thing, oh, it's only 12:15. That's amazing. This took me 15 minutes. I'm shook, like so shook. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. Let me show Mercy really quick. Look.
Bruh, looks so good.
Thanks. He approves. Let me drink some coffee. I was like talking about something, I forgot. Oh, another thing that has happened in my family relationship is I feel like I'm getting a lot more support. Something that happened, I think it was my sister's birthday. I had shown my family the newest video Mercy and I have been working on. If you haven't checked it out, I'll link it in the bio. It's Infinite Love. My mom was so excited about it. She was like, put it on, show them what you guys made, and that really warmed my heart that they're really proud of what Mercy and I have been doing. And my latest video, right when I put it out, my mom messaged me and she was like, I loved it so much. Like, that was so cute and amazing. Wow, we're really moving on to the next day. We're really doing that. But yeah, that's something that's been happening that I'm just so grateful for. Oh, and my mom was like asking me about my album, like when is it gonna be out and all this stuff, and like the fact that she's like taking interest in it also is really warming my heart. I think after that conversation, it like really has been acting as a motivating factor to finish my album, because just the idea of having my whole family at the release party and getting to show them everything that Mercy and I have been working on just really excites me, because it's already December. I've been working on this since I think 2021, so it'll be 2 years already that I have been trying to put this together. And sometimes I get in my head about like, oh my gosh, I need to just like put it out already. But I also think like it'll be worth the wait, you know, because I'm really working a lot on this and trying to make it the best that it can be. So great things take time, y'all. Not as big. I can't do it as big because I don't have a bald head. Okay, we got it traced out, and now I gotta drink some coffee. I'm so excited for how it's gonna look when I'm done. And I'm so happy that it's not taking a lot of liner to fill up my face. I was really worried about that. I went to Target this morning to get another liner. They only had one, so I was gonna go to Ulta, but they don't open till 11, and I was like, yo, I'm not gonna wait. I need to get this done. So I am so happy that I'm not having to use like it's not running out so fast. I kind of love doing photo shoots because it gives me a reason to go all out on different looks. So if you're a photographer in the IE, hit me up. Let me know if you want a makeup artist or a model. Like, I really enjoy it. I love working with new people, getting to know new people, and collaborating to create artistic visions, bring it to life. I've been starting to want to style people more. Like, the model that will be modeling with me is allowing me to dress her up and do her makeup. So I hope that I have more opportunities like that. We are running out on this one. I think the last bottle is going to have to be the touch-ups on all the areas that are kind of not perfect. Oh, there's a little circle down here. Next makeup look, I saw this like rainbow type of face makeup that kind of looks like this, but it looks more like a painting. That's why I went for this one, because it gave me more of like a space alien aesthetic. I really feel like painting helped me develop patience for doing looks like this, because my wrist is hurting so bad right now. Oh shit, she gonna be here in 30 minutes. I'm gonna finish before she gets here, because I have no idea how long it's gonna take me to do her face makeup. I've done looks on myself, but I think like working on other people's faces take me a little bit longer, because the canvas that I'm working on has a different structure to it, which is why I told her to come at 1, even if the photo shoot is at 5. Plus we have an hour drive to expect, so, and I'm praying, because we'll probably be leaving at 4 or something, that there isn't hella traffic. It is Sunday though, but that is why I need to finish already, because I also will have to put on a wig, and hopefully this dries and by then. Okay, now we could draw that peanut shape down here. So, little peanut. Random thought, if you guys know of any other makeup that might be easier to apply, that picks up more pigment for white liner, that's like good for this kinds of stuff, let me know in the comments. I don't really know about too many makeup products. I just kind of go for what I can afford. Even this is kind of expensive for me. It was like $10 for one thing of liner. The activated liners that I got was like $3. I do know that I want to expand what I try out and see what other products are out there that might work a little bit better for me. So yeah, if you guys know of any other products, let me know in the comments below. Okay, this is officially become very hard to work with. I'm gonna try out a different one. Oh yes, a lot better. Way more product on this. I know my forehead's gonna be covered, but I still want it to look good. Sorry if I'm not talking. I get so invested and I'm like focusing super hard. All right, it's done. But now we just have to fill in all the other areas that are kind of sparse with color. But this is the look, dude. Let's fucking go. Mercy!
Wonderful, baby.
Thank you! She'll be here in 5 minutes. Right.
Daybreak, Waylay.
Dude, your whole vibe is everything. Thank you. Yeah. I like never do my eye makeup, so I'm really excited.
Working hard for my cash, living like it could be my last. Pushing out my art for a reason, if not me. Then who then? I gotta take care of myself. If not me, then who else? All these gifts I got given. Nothing's promised. Like the air I'm breathing. Always thinking about the top now. Like what's the next move? About to throw down. Got like attitude in a ghost town. People living life on the come down. Gotta keep the ball rolling. Who knows what'll happen if we stop? Opening up, gotta give up anything that goes against its nature. It's a favor.